How to resize videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut. Resizing videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok in CapCut, desktop or mobile is super simple and it makes your content look perfect for vertical platforms. And here is how to do it. Launch the CapCut, then import and add a video to the timeline. Then there you can see aspect ratio option available there. Tap on it. Then you can tap on the 9:16 ratio. This is perfect for Shorts or TikTok. The canvas will resize immediately. You can click on a video on timeline to select it and preview it as well. Once done, you can click on the export at the top right and export the video and save it to your gallery. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.